France and Belgium have already taken a big step forward with their new Jaguar combat vehicle, officially known as the EBRC Jaguar. It is designed as a fast, well-protected reconnaissance and combat vehicle. The EBRC Jaguar is a modern 6x6 wheeled armored reconnaissance and combat vehicle developed under France's Scorpion program by a consortium including KNDDS, France, Arquus and Thales. Belgium joined the program as the first export customer through the CAMO agreement signed in 2018. Under this deal, Belgium is acquiring 60 Jaguar vehicles alongside 382 VBMR Griffon multi-role armored personnel carriers. Deliveries of Belgian Jaguars began in 2025 and are expected to continue through 2030. However, a new idea has started to gain attention. What if the Jaguar were equipped with a 105mm gun? It is rumored that France and Belgium are exploring a joint development program for a new light armored combat vehicle equipped with a powerful 105mm gun based on the proven EBRC Jaguar 6x6 platform. The new concept involves upgrading or developing a heavier armed derivative of the Jaguar by replacing the current 40mm CTA cannon with a 105mm direct fire gun. At first glance, this might seem like a simple upgrade, just putting a bigger gun on the vehicle, but the idea is much deeper than that. It could transform the Jaguar from a reconnaissance and support vehicle into something much more powerful, a lightweight tank destroyer or fire support platform. What makes this idea genius is combining that proven firepower with the Jaguar's modern design. The Jaguar is fast, wheeled, and highly mobile. Adding a 105mm gun would give it the ability to strike harder targets while still keeping its speed advantage. It can fire different types of ammunition: armor-piercing rounds for enemy vehicles, high-explosive rounds for infantry and buildings, and even advanced programmable shells. This means the vehicle could handle many roles without relying too much on specialized missiles. In long operations, this flexibility becomes very valuable. Of course, adding a larger gun is not easy. The Jaguar was not originally designed to carry a 105mm cannon. Engineers would need to modify the turret, strengthen the chassis, and manage the recoil of the gun. Weight is also a concern. The Jaguar is designed to be mobile and deployable even by air transport. Adding too much weight could reduce these advantages. However, modern engineering offers solutions. Lightweight turrets and advanced recoil systems can make it possible to mount a 105mm gun without heavily compromising mobility. By carefully balancing weight and protection, the Jaguar could maintain its speed while gaining much greater firepower. If done correctly, this upgrade could create a new type of vehicle, fast like a reconnaissance unit, but powerful like a tank. That is why many see it as a genius idea. It takes something already good and pushes it into a whole new level of capability. There is also a strategic benefit. A vehicle like this would be highly attractive for export. Many countries are looking for affordable, modern armored vehicles that can perform multiple roles. A Jaguar equipped with a 105mm gun would offer a unique combination of mobility, firepower, and advanced technology. Still, there are trade-offs. A bigger gun means fewer rounds can be carried. It may also increase maintenance needs and reduce stealth due to its larger profile. Military planners would need to decide whether the added firepower is worth these compromises. current Jaguar is armed with a 40mm cannon, anti-tank missiles, and machine guns. This setup is already strong and versatile. It has a weight of approximately 25 tons and a crew of 3: driver, gunner, commander. It is powered by 500 horsepower, militarized Volvo D11 turbo diesel engine with a maximum speed of 90 km an hour on roads and has operational range of 800 kilometers. The Jaguar features advanced digital architecture, panoramic optronic sights, battlefield networking, and high off-road mobility suitable for urban, mountainous, and expeditionary operations. The Jaguar is meant to work as part of a network, sharing information with other units. With a 105mm gun, it could take on a more aggressive role, supporting infantry and engaging armored threats directly. This could reduce the need for heavier tanks in certain situations, especially in urban or complex environments. So the idea of arming the Jaguar with a 105mm gun is not just about making it stronger. It is about rethinking how modern combat vehicles are used. Instead of relying on heavy tanks for firepower and lighter vehicles for scouting, this concept blends both roles into one platform.